Hey everybody! So, a friend of mine got me a Christmas present. She noticed that my drill was acting funky and got me a new Scarlet for Christmas. So, today we're going to be doing an unboxing. When I got mine, it was used, so I actually had to fix it when I first got it. So, this is my first new one, so I haven't seen what's in here yet. So, I don't actually know what comes with it, so you guys are going to see with me. Ooh, it's pretty. It is. I imagine this is what guys feel like when they're taking someone's clothes off. Just like, ooh, layers. Naked layers. Oh, sweet. So it comes with the coupon for the Melody Susie drill bits, which I already have. Kind of mad. It's like 20% off. That's alright. I'll buy more. User manual. A bag of the sanding bands. I think these are 180 grit. I'm not sure though. It also comes with the finishing bits, which I don't recommend these for acrylic. These are more for natural nails. They don't move acrylic at all, but they are super handy to have to finish nails with. Then we have the power cord. Finger in there. Ooh, look. Look, it's all shiny up here. It's not all... Here, let me show you the difference that 6 months makes. Or maybe I won't. See the difference 6 months makes when you put your drill in there while it's still on? Don't do that. That's bad for it. The foot pedal. Now I have 2 of these. But every time I try to use the foot pedal, I forget to hold it down. So I'll randomly let go while I'm holding the drill, and it's supposed to be not on. And when I let go of the foot pedal, it'll just take off across the desk. So we're just gonna put that over there. Oh. Yeah, so let me... So I will say, I've used this every day for 6 to 8 months, and I've beat it literally to death. So far, the only issues I've had is my button going out, but that's probably something I did. But look how well it held up after 6 months of daily use and me probably using it wrong. So next, I'm going to put this together, and then I'll come back and we're going to do a demo. I'm going to show you how all the bits work and the buttons and yada yada yada. Alright guys, so we got everything all set up. I got the foot pedal hooked up and whatnot. Gonna show you how everything works. So first off, this one goes up to 30,000 RPM. It does sound like a jet engine taking off. This one, it's really quiet actually, considering. It also... You have the plug-in for the handpiece. This one's for the foot pedal, and you have the forward and reverse button. Forward is for right-handed, reverse is for left. So it's pretty simple to operate. It's just a dial for the speed, on and off switch. I put in the pieces that came with it. I also have some Melody Susie ceramic bits that I use with it, but I'm just using the sanding band that came with it for right now. The foot pedal, the way the foot pedal works, it doesn't work the same way as a sewing machine. So what it does is this works as a brake. So when the foot pedal is hooked up and you turn it on, you use this to stop it, and you hold it down as long as you want it to stop. So it just has the on and off switch and the speed dial on the front. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up so you can hear what it sounds like. This is at 0. 3,000 RPM, pretty quiet. 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, 25, and 30,000, which is super high. You really don't need that for much. And then we have the brake. Now, when you let go of this brake, now, it kind of does sound like an airplane when it's starting up. It takes a second to get to full speed. And the higher up you are, the longer it's going to take, but it takes like 5 seconds to get up to the full 30,000. So go ahead and take a listen. It's starting at 30,000. And there is some vibration at 30,000, not a ton, but you do absolutely feel it. But you're going to feel that with any drill. So let's do a quick demo, just so you can see what the speed does. Let's use a sanding band. So this is at 20,000. I'm going to show you what those high RPMs do, why you need them. So 20,000. Let's do 30. You can absolutely smell it. All right, let's do 30. So the 30,000 RPM on this drill are absolutely enough to just drill straight through acrylic. And you will have some hot acrylic popping off on you. So I am a fan of this drill. It's my favorite. This is the one I've been using for a long time, and I just got a new one, so I figured I'd go ahead and do the unboxing and the demo. It's really simple and straightforward. Not a lot of bells and whistles, but it will absolutely get the job done. I think it's like 40 bucks on Amazon right now because it's on sale. I swear by it. I use it absolutely every single day. I use it on all manner of nails and some stuff I'm probably not supposed to. So whether you're a beginner or what, I do recommend it. The button on mine was going out. Like I said, I got it used and I beat it to death. I'm not very easy on my tools, so it is actually still working though. Probably just have some dust in the button, but I do absolutely recommend this. If you're a beginner, this will last you the first few years without any problem. It's totally worth the money. I know it's tempting to get one of the $20 ones, but that's not going to move acrylic. You need something to do at least 30,000 RPM. And when you get up to a drill that does 30,000 RPM, they go up in price quite a bit. Anything over 15, 20,000 the price goes up quite a bit. This one, however, is really affordable for what you get out of it. So that's about it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any questions. I'll include the link in the description. If you have any suggestions for the next video, let me know. And as always, thanks for watching.